I want you guys to make an RB Battles avatar. Okay, it's a pretty cool avatar. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to the scale and make your width 85. Okay, because that makes your body more realistic. Wear the battle beam. You want to wear this one, and this one. Okay, then you want to put on the jacket, the layered clothing trench coat jacket. Then you want to wear John's shirt. Alright, you want to wear the Luby party shades, and you want to wear the side part here, and then finally you want to wear John's face. Okay, alright, and that should be it. Okay, let's see, and boom, look at that. That is honestly pretty cool. It looks cooler from the back. Okay, let me show you. Alright, and boom, look at that. This guy actually looks pretty cool. Wow. Yeah, so that's a quick video on how to make this for free. This is free as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please. Alright.